Hello, and how the heck are you? I hope you're doing well. I am here to give you a brief tutorial on how to download a report, not just view it. And there could be several reasons why you want to do that. Maybe due to the patient's age, they're not tech savvy. Maybe they're physically unable to respond to an email that you send them. When you click email report, that actually sends them an email with instructions to create an account and log in and view their report. So that's a little bit of a misnomer, but that's too much to put in here. So you're emailing them to give them access to the report. You're not technically emailing them their report, and that's just for security reasons. That's the only reason that's there. And it's a pretty easy step, but it is could be a barrier for some people. So and if you download it as a PDF, you can print it out for them. You could, maybe they do get email, and maybe creating accounts a bit much, but maybe they could have no problem getting an email from you. They know you, they see your name, and they can click and view the PDF and download it themselves. If they're digitally archiving, their records, you may want to download a PDF and then upload it into your own medical record system. So there's lots of reasons, right, that you might want a PDF, and fully understand that that's the desired way to send stuff around. It's just we can't do that for security reasons, and also the reason why it generates in HTML is because that provides us a lot more capability with the report, and also viewing features for the report. So I'll show you what I mean. So this is actually a real patient that changed the name on it here, and so give it a minute to kind of spin up and pull all that data in. Now, so right away you're just realize that you're looking at an HTML version of the report, and the reason again that's important is because there's a lot of capability, and some of it you might have noticed, like these are hyperlinked references. So if a patient was reading this and wanted to know, well, how do we really know there's a higher risk of stroke, they just click on that and it'll take them right to the reference. Kind of a nice little feature. And there's a lot of other capabilities. We can, down the road, you can click and pull up a little video. It could be shooting a message, explaining something. Could be a standard library. We're going to have soon the capability for specific accounts to be able to put in their own logo, clinic name up here. So anyway, there's a lot of benefits, and probably the main reason people use HTML is for this right here. You can design something so that it's responsive, in that if they're viewing this in an app, which at some point we'll have, or if they're just viewing it in their account on their phone, you see how everything looks. It's very readable, and all I do is shrink my browser down. That's called responsive code, and a PDF, of course, won't do that. You'd barely be able to even read anything. So, and a lot of people are on their phone these days, and so that's probably one of the main reasons. But you're here to learn about PDF. So once you click that, it pulls up the report. You saw the button right up here. You just click Print PDF. And make sure all your margins, everything look good, nice and clean. Now I'll also point out on the settings, I have mine set to A4, which is, you probably are familiar. We're one of the few countries still using not the metric system. So, a letter in the United States is pretty much A4 everywhere else in the world for billions of people. So I find that I get less issues with A4. I think it's just more universal. Like if I put letter here, let's see what happens. Sometimes it'll do weird things. Yeah, it's like, see, it cut off this image right here, and it's literally not. The paper is. I'm pretty sure it's like almost exactly the same size, so there's no issue. Just make sure I just leave mine on A4, to be honest, and then nothing else to do there. Hit save. And then you'll go ahead and save, download the report wherever you'd like it. Maybe you have a folder that you put things in, and then upload it to your, maybe you upload stuff then from there to your EHR, or from there into your email client. And I would recommend always taking that name health report out and using a standard well accepted file naming system such as year, the month, and the day. And then, then you might put the name of the patient here, like Smith, first name, and then you're supposed to put in all caps what this is. So, brain span, right? So now you've got, and if you save all your files that way, it'll always be super easy to find. You can sort by the time frame. You can support by or search by name. So, and then just save it where you need to save it. I'm not going to save it because you don't need to. But that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this tip. Let me know your thoughts and have a wonderful day.